Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. And today I am going to be discussing about web HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Free 30 hours online sessions. Okay, so web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using for front-end design part. Every application needed front-end. You take a mobile application, you take a web application. All applications are basically having user interface, right? So you take Amazon, you take YouTube, even you take Google, you take Book My Show, you take Flipkart, you take Myntra, you take Zomato, you take LinkedIn, you take Naukri, any application, you take banking applications, all banking applications, SBI.com, AccessBank.com, HDFC.com, any application you take, guys, even ticket booking applications, travel applications, hospitality applications, social media applications. At the same time, you will be having real estate applications, stock market applications, any applications you take. Backend, middleware, all these things are different. Middleware, you have the databases and server sites and integrations, all these things. But front end is compulsory for every application. In that particular part of the front end, this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript play a major role. And these are the fundamentals. If you don't know fundamentals, you cannot able to go for Angular, you cannot able to go for React, you cannot able to go for Next.js, Node.js, Web3.js, and there are multiple JS libraries which are going to be available in the different kind of application interfaces, application domains. For example, on top of the JavaScript, Angular is there, React is there. These two are Vue.js is there. These are modern UI frameworks. At the same time, based on the JavaScript, you will be having Web3.js using for blockchain Ethereum connects. Whenever you want to connect with the cryptocurrencies, and that Web3.js is very, very important. MetaMask. Okay. So anyway, we are going to be starting a new batch for the blockchain with the Web3.js very soon. For that, and again, we are going to be starting JavaScript related, React related, Angular related, Marne stack, main stack applications, full stacks later batches. For those things, JavaScript, HTML, CSS are fundamentals. For those fundamental things, we are giving free 30 hours online sessions, and all the things links will be provided in the description later. But now, what I want to expose to you is we are going to be online sessions only. We don't have any offlines. Learn from real-time expert project based. So our complete trainings, even free training also, real-time experts are only giving. So only real-time experts providing the sessions with Mohansh Technologies. Only real-time experts. All the people are working. So even I am also working with the Mindtree. So we are going to be having a different kind of applications and courses which are going to be launching, and all the trainers are from real time. Okay. So now let me explore the content what we have to cover in this 30-hour sessions. So in this 30 hours, the week one, we are going to be working with the HTML foundations, like in the day one, intro to the web, HTML structure, how the HTML will be structured, and what is the format of the HTML file, and how HTML connected to the browser, how the outputs you can able to see. All those things we will discuss in that. In the day two, we will be working on different kind of tags like text tags, headings, paragraphs, formatting lists, all those things, and we will do a simple application on that. And day three, we will be having a different kind of links creation, images creation, anchors creation, file paths, how to provide file paths for that. Day four, we work with the tables, rows, columns, table styling, basics, all these things we will discuss. Day five, important. Day five, forms. Every web application form filling is important. Sign in form, sign up form, registration form, kind of things. How you can create a form and how to display the form and how you make it form beautiful. All these things you can go with the inputs, text areas, selects and buttons. All these things we can go with the day five. And day 6 is semantic HTML, something like a headers, footers, articles, sections. These are the HTML5 related tags which are going to be introduced in 2010. So those kind of tags we will discuss in the day 6. In the day 7, we will do a mini project, personal profile page, how you can prepare your personal profile page using with HTML. Okay, that is a mini project kind of thing. So by the end of the first week, we have the complete knowledge on HTML. Sure. Okay. The next week we will go through the day 8 CSS introduction. CSS is actually playing a major role in the part of the web UI. Why? Because of CSS using for decorating the pages. By the CSS, your page look stylish basically. So the beauty, the page need beautiness, right? So how you make your page beautiful using by the CSS and the selectors, how to do work with the selectors, colors, units, PX, percentages, how you provide the values for that, all the things we will discuss. Day 9, text font styling, background borders. Day 10, box model, margin padding, border heights and all. Day 11, CSS display, block, inline block visibility. Day 12, positioning, static, relative, absolute, fixed, sticky. Then day 13, important concept, flexbox, basics, containers, alignment, spacings, all these things. And day 4, we will do a simple project or mini project, styled landing page with the flexbox. Yes. So in the week 1, we are working on this, what is this? HTML, right? HTML is basically designing the pages. CSS using for styling the pages. Design and CSS both are needed. HTML is just like a skeleton, but after the CSS, a body can get a shape, a good colors, good positions, all these things we have to give. Okay, so only creating the toy is not a big deal. Creating toy is okay. That is a dummy toy. It is not movable toy. So the toy needs some soul. The toy needs some soul. It means if I tap the toy, it has to be respond. It has to be respond. If I give the key for the toy, the toy should dance. The toy should jump like that. So there are multiple things we have to give. A body and body is good and everything is good, but he is not working. He is not listening. He is not talking. He is not eating. Means that is actually a dead body. Body is there, but soul is important. Soul presented by the JavaScript. JavaScript is basically a very beautiful thing for the HTML and CSS. And before going to that, CSS have some other things like grids, transformations, transitions, animations, hover effects, responsive design like media queries, and JavaScript intro also started in this week. And we will introduce the JavaScript after the HTML and CSS and syntaxes, variables, data types, operators, conditions, if else, switch conditions. Day 20, we will work on loops. Day 20, we have loops and functions basics also. And 21, we have the mini project again with HTML, CSS. Then coming to the week 4 is week 3, this one. Sorry, week 4 is in the next part. Okay, week 4 is not there, I think missing. Okay, anyway, after the JavaScript, you can able to do the simple project, guys. End of the day, you can able to do the simple project after the JavaScript. JavaScript topics also will include, something is missing. Okay, no problem. So Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing you. There is a concept called learn by working, workspace atmosphere and learning, and master skills with the real-time concepts and all. Practice, still you become master. Real-time coding challenges we will be providing to you. 100% job placement assistance, 100% interview preparation with the coding challenges, dedicated placement support till you land in your dream job also we will be there. And we are focusing only online trainings, and whatever the sessions we are going to be starting later, those particular sessions are only 45-day sessions for quantum computing, blockchain, Web3.js, blockchain Python, and Gen AI, and full stack Python, full stack MERN. At the same time, we will be having MuleSoft, and we will be having SOC and cybersecurity related modules like IAM, PingFederate, CyberArk, and Okta, and SOC blockchain security, and AML KYC also we will be having. Okay, there are a number of courses we are going to be having, and all these courses are going to be very highly demanding in the industry. Emerging technologies, which is going to be having high pay skills in the jobs, and we will be having all the content in 45 days. After that, we will be having the mock-up interviews, resume preparations, till land your dream job. And even free classes, we will be having a very good projects, and the same concepts will be applied for the free classes also. And all the free classes recordings will be uploading in the YouTube channel only. The YouTube channel name is Mohansh Technologies. You can go and search in the YouTube Mohansh Technologies. Okay, so if you like the video, please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, provide your valuable comments. Okay, and share with your friends also. These particular sessions are free of cost we are providing, and no recordings will be provided. Notes will be provided. Recordings will be there in the YouTube only. All the recordings are going to be there in the YouTube only. You can just go through the YouTube and you can watch the videos. You can practice yourself by doing the by listening the video. You can do the practice at the same time. After completing this JavaScript course, you will be having a very interesting emerging technologies like a blockchain and a full stack. We are going to be having with the JavaScript integrated. And with this HTML, CSS, JavaScript itself, you can go for the gaming applications. You can go for the desktop application creation. You can go for the different other kind of application development also. Even AI also can be developing with the JavaScript by some companies. But Python is demanded for AI, data science. But till JavaScript is also involving for the AI application creations. Okay, so that's what actually the aim of this Mohansh Technologies. And we will be having the website www.mohanshtechnologies.com, and we will be having the YouTube channel like Mohansh Technologies, and contact number also I'm providing to you. If any queries are there, questions are there, you feel free ask that, and we will resolve the problems. We'll resolve the things. So if you like the video, like the video. If you okay with the video, please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and please provide your comments also. See you signing off. We'll meet in the next video for the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so we are going to be starting the batch on October 2nd. October 2nd onwards, we are going to be having the batch. Okay, so time and all will be updating in the description. You see the description, follow the description. By the timings, we will update to you. Okay, so October 2nd onwards, we are going to be starting the free sessions on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. At the same time, we will be starting Python classes, Python 30 days free. At the same time, we are going to be starting a free AML KYC. AML KYC also 30 hours free sessions. Totally 3 sessions free of cost. We are actually starting from October 2nd. You please go ahead and share with your friends also. Share with your friends, your colleagues, and whatever it may be. Okay. So see you signing off. We'll meet in the next video. Bye for now. Have a good day.